Welcome to North Carolina Law TV. Today we're going to talk about running safety, and I've got with me David Daggett, an avid runner,
yes,
and also an attorney with Daggett Shuler Law. So David, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Well, tell us a little bit about some of the safety laws that pertain to runners.
Well, runners are pedestrians. They're the same as any other pedestrian.
Okay.
Okay. So you're allowed to cross streets at intersections and in crosswalks. You have to follow those lighted signs, walk and don't walk, when you're at an intersection. You have to use sidewalks where available. Where they're not available, you have to run facing traffic, not on the other side of the road.
Okay.
Not with traffic. Interestingly, most injuries to runners involving automobiles are being hit from behind, which means runners are where they're not supposed to be.
Yeah, yeah.
So, you know, with the fitness craze, we got a lot of people outside doing activities.
We do.
And runners, they have to be responsible for themselves.
Yeah. Does that apply to bicycles?
Well, bicycles...
They're on the same side of
well,
traffic, right?
Bicycles are vehicles.
Oh, okay.
So they go with traffic, and they have the same rights and responsibilities as motorists.
Okay.
Runners are pedestrians.
I see.
So they have rights and responsibilities also,
Yeah.
but you're very vulnerable when you're running, which means you have to look out for yourself.
Right.
So avoid running down the middle of busy streets.
Yeah.
Make sure you have reflective gear after dark. A big thing that I advocate is be polite.
Yeah.
Motorists aren't against you, but if you're rude, they are.
Yeah.
So, you know, a nice wave of the hand is always helpful. Be an ambassador for the community. And the thing about running is if I'm a good ambassador for the community and you're the next person running down the road, the motorist is going to be more courteous to you because
Right.
I was nice.
Yeah.
Of course, the vice versa is always true, that if I wasn't courteous and you're the next person
Yeah.
down the road, the motorist might take it out on you.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know, safety is a prime concern. Visibility is a prime concern. I've spoken at run safety seminars, those sort of things. Very, very important to follow safety rules, to be seen, well seen at night, have those lights that you wear on your head. They make knuckle lights now, reflective clothing, that sort of thing. Be polite and be courteous and be a good ambassador for the running community.
Now, what about insurance if you are hit while you're running?
That's an interesting question. A pedestrian, any pedestrian, including a runner, if you're hit by a car, it's a liability claim just like any other car accident case. So the runner would have a claim against the other driver and their insurance company.
Okay.
But the interesting thing is in North Carolina, your automobile insurance coverage covers you or any member of your family if it's an incident involving a car. So if your child is out running, gets hit by the car, and the car's at fault, you have things that we've talked about on other shows, like medical payments coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, underinsured motorist coverage on your policy that covers you as a runner.
Oh, that's very interesting.
It covers you or
Yeah.
anybody in your household.
So you really need a lawyer to sort this out.
Absolutely. It can be
very
very
complicated.
it can be complicated, and typically if there's an incident involving a car and a runner, it's a serious injury.
Yeah.
And whenever there's a serious injury, you need competent legal
Yeah.
representation to be treated fairly.
And David, how can they reach you if they have
They
questions?
can go to our website, www.daggettshulerlaw.com, or call us at 336-724-1234.
Thanks so much.
And thanks for having me.
Till next time, this is Cindy Speaker for North Carolina Law TV.